In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up Confluence Cloud from scratch. By the end of this video, you'll have your first workspace ready, create your first pages, and invite your team to start collaborating. First, sign in to your Confluence Cloud account. From the home page, click Create or Create Space to set up your first workspace. Choose a template that matches your needs, such as Team Space, Project Space, or Blank Space if you want to build everything yourself. Next, give your space a clear name and choose a unique space key. Use a name that's easy for your team to recognize, then review the space permissions. Decide whether everyone in your organization can access the space or if it should only be available to specific team members. You can always update these permissions later. Once your space is created, click Create to add your first page. You can start with a blank page or use one of Confluence's built-in templates for meeting notes, project plans, or documentation. Templates help you create consistent pages without starting from scratch every time. As your content grows, organize it using the page tree in the left sidebar. Create parent pages for main topics and add child pages underneath to keep everything structured and easy to find. You can also create a whiteboard for brainstorming sessions, planning workflows, or visual collaboration. Whiteboards let your team work together in real time using shapes, sticky notes, and diagrams alongside your documentation. Finally, invite your teammates to the space using the share or invite option. Once they're added, everyone can collaborate by editing pages, leaving comments, assigning tasks, and sharing knowledge in one central location. That's how to set up Confluence Cloud. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.